ayonto esinovele siyitshayelele phansi kwekhaphethi lena sibe sisiliba siyavisisana okanye sivisisane ngayo. It's important and I can't carry on mna nale secret.
This was your idea. Kwaye senze sivumelana ukuba we would keep this our secret.
Ndiyayazi loo nto but uyabona mos naba
I can't believe how selfish you're being, yes?
Selfish? Andiyenzeli mna yonke laa nto ndiyenzayo.
I claimed to Bavumile as my son. Mntanam lowa. Before we agreed, I'd be his father. I had already made peace with whatever speculation there would be as to why Dikega Sali in Lalif kodwa ngoku we agreed nobody, not my family, nobody would ever find out about this.
Ndiyakuva. But uyayibona mos isithemba sami bayisebenzi yonke laa nto yethu. And if we come clean, usezoba nguye utata kaBavumile. Sizozomkhulisa thina sobabini umntana, but with honesty. And utata wakho uzoba right eventually. Xa seyazi uba kwenzeka ntoni na. Yes. Le nto is also gonna free you. Izawukhulula nawe emphefumlweni uyazi uba utata wakho uyayazi nyhani. And who knows, mhlawumbi uzokurespecta futhi akujongele ilihlo. For the courage onayo. Kwehlazo wena ucinga fanele uba lihlazo phofu.
Senze isivumelwano.
Tazete, mawulo uthi indodla, kahle Grand Chapel ringa ngani lapho.
Yabona Dayisibana. La ngikhuluma mina ngincinze inyobu. A bank inikeza abaswele. And kusela tech. Ngaloma efforts amancane nje nawe. Ukuthatha nami phela mangqosha nathise. Igoal yala is to make sure ukuthi kusela tech fills my wrath.
Ya mara Tazete akazi ngiyokene njengomuntu ozobhathula kanti yena obhathulela yena seluva.
Ya phela ngaso sikhathi angithi bengisebenza ngithola imali yangempela as a CIO ekhusela tech. Izinto kona ke seyishintshile manje. Sesifike kwangqengeje ke manje. Kanti ke phela ke nayo le offshore account idinga ukuthi nje kuthi phohlo okufana.
What if bayakubamba kulama offshore lawa oleyo ringa ngawo la. Ngisho labantu bayakena ukuthi chess yakho uyidlala kanjani Tazete.
So akunandaba. Ngeke bakwazi ukuyiprove. Noma kuthiwa bayakwazi ke mfana ke ukuyiprove lento. Labantu labo ngabe behlula extradite icriminal yangempela. Mina ngibe ngiyini ke? Yabona mbona kithi. Next week mina nomndeni wami sobe sise Bahamas sishayela nje ama cocktail mfana kithi. Oh, it's gonna be a beautiful one.
Shit manje na Tazete Grand Chapel into uyiplanile la wena ukuslice ukunyamalala la.